Assalamualaikum dear student. Today I am going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 16, preparations for algebra. So do you know algebra? It's a very important chapter. Algebra means it's related to the numbers, and algebra means addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. These all four are the links of the algebra. Okay, so first of all, do some informations about the algebra, and after that we solve the exercise. Okay, now see, the Vishal sir, my brother, said he was studying algebra. What is algebra? Then what is algebra? Sir, to put it simply, algebra consists of the uses of numbers and the letters to state the solved problems. Okay. In algebra having the numbers and the letters, calculations of number, that is additions of numbers, subtractions of number, multiplications of numbers and the divisions of that numbers, and also the letters, that is a plus b plus c. This is the letters. Okay, and the Ravi, does that means addition, subtractions of letters? How do we do that, sir? To prepare for that, let's first learn to few things using the numbers. So equality. First of all, what is equality? Equality means the one numbers and the another numbers are equal, which is called as the equality. So here see, whenever we add, subtract, multiply or divide the two numbers, the answer we get is always another number. For examples, when we add 5 plus 3, we get the numbers 8. We write this as 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Similarly, 13 minus 6 equals to 7. And the 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. And the 9 is multiplied by 1. The answer is 1. All the answer is different because the all cases is different. Now let us think about this in another way. Suppose that by performing the mathematical operations on the two numbers, we have obtained the numbers 12. Let us find pair of such numbers. They could be 6 plus 6 equals to 12, and the 15 minus 3 equals to 12, and the 6 is multiplied by 2, they equals to 12, and 24 is divided by 2, the answer is 12. So the answer is 12 is find out by the fourth different way, which is called as the equality. When we want to say a number obtained by adding 6, it is easier to express it by using the bracket like this. So 6 plus 6 equals to 12, 15 minus 3 equals to 12, 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12, and the 24 is divided by 2, the answer is 12. Okay, the all four cases, the answer is 12, which is called as the equality. Understand? Now equality is written as the sign equal. Okay, that is 6 plus 6 equals to, 6 plus 6 equals to 12 equals to this bracket is same as 15 minus 3. Okay, this is known as the equality. So equality is denoted by the equals to sign. Okay, now, and the expressions such as 6 plus 6, 15 minus 3, 6 plus 6, and it is said that 6 plus 6 equals to 15 minus 3 equals to, so it is called as the equality. And it is also 5 plus 3 equals to 8, and 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 9. So this is not equal. So also this is not equal, so it is unequal. Okay, now see, solve this one. Okay, now see, that is the explanations of equality. Now addition, subtractions and multiplications and the divisions. 3 plus 4 equals to 7, 10 minus 3 equals to 7, and 7 is multiplied by 1 equals to 7, and 14 is divided by 2 equals to 7. Like that we will solve this. Now the exercise, solve the exercise 57. The questions number first, using the bracket, write the three pairs of number whose sum is 13th. Use them to write the three equalities. Now the sum is 13th. 10 plus 3 equals to 13. 8 plus 5 equals to 13, and the 6 plus 7 equals to 13. So this is called as the equality. When we write the equality using the bracket, so see the equality, 8 plus 5 equals to 13, equals to because shows the equality. 6 plus 7 equals to 13, and 6 plus 7 equals to 13 equals to the 10 plus 3, and the 10 plus 3 equals to 8 plus 5. Okay, see the questions number 1. Now see the another questions, that is questions number 2. Find the 4 pairs of numbers, one for each of addition, subtractions, multiplications and the divisions that makes the numbers 18. Write the equalities for each of them. So 11 plus 7 equals to 18. 27 subtracted by 9, the answer is 18. And the 6 is subtracted by 3, the answer is 18. And 72 is divided by 4, the answer is 18. When we do addition, subtractions, multiplications and the divisions, we get the answer 18. So we shows the equalities in the equalities. So 11 plus 7 equals to 6 multiplied by 3. Then 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 72 divided by 4. And the 72 divided by 4 equals to 27 minus 9. And the 27 minus 9 equals to 11 plus 7. Okay, I hope so you understand it. Now see the another page. Now see the next page, that is page number 2. Okay. Inequality, that is inequality. Now inequality means the 7 plus 5 and the 7 is multiplied by 5. 7 plus 5 equals to 12 and the 7 multiplied by 5, the answer is 35. It means that both the numbers are same, but here is the additions and here is the multiplication. The answer is different. So this is called as the inequality. Inequality is denoted by, this is called as not equal or not equal, which is also called as inequality, which is the symbol is denoted as equals, not equals to, okay, is used. That is 7 plus 5 is not equals to 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, so see the page numbers. This is very easy and I hope so you will solve it. So I will solve directly the problem set 55. First of all, I see 9 subtracted by 5 is not equals to 15 divided by 3, because 15 divided by 3, the answer is 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5, and the 9 subtracted by 5, the answer is 4, so which is unequal. So it shows unequal sign. Okay, now 9 plus 8, the answer is 17, and 30 divided by 2, the answer is 15. So who's greater than 17 is greater than 15, so here written as the greater sign to the 18s. Okay, so here written as the greater sign like that. Okay, now 16 multiplied by 3, 16 multiplied by 3, the answer is 48, and the 4 multiplied by 12, the answer is 48. So here written as the sign equals to. See, here is the less than, and like that, so we will solve that. Now solve the problems. First of all, see the explanations. Inequality, 7 multiplied by 5 and 7 plus 5, I see. Now see the questions number first. Questions number first is 23 plus 4. 23 plus 4 equals to 27, equals to 4 plus 23 equals to 27. So this is right. And the 9 plus 4 equals to 13th, and the 12. So 13 is greater than 12 because 12 is less than 13. So the 13 is greater than, it's a right. Okay. Now see the questions number 3. 9 plus 4 equals to 13th and the 12. So 13 is greater than 12, but the sign is 13 is less than 12. So this is wrong. Okay. Now 138 equals 138 is greater than 138. So it's wrong because 138 is equals to 138. Okay. Now see the questions number 5th. 138 is less than 138. So it's also wrong because equals to sign. And 138 equals to 138. So it's a right because 138 equals to 138. Now see the questions number 7. 4 multiplied by 7, the answer is 28. And the 30 subtracted by 2, the answer is 28. So it's a right. Now 25 divided by 5. solids. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. The answer is 5. So 5 equals to 5. Then it's show 5 is greater than 5. So it's wrong. Now 5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. Then also 8 multiplied by 5, the answer is 40. This is right. Now 16 plus 0, answer is 16. 16 is equals to 16. 16 is equals to 0. So the answer is wrong. 16 is equals to 16. So it's wrong. Now the questions number 11. 16 plus 0, the answer is 16 equals to 16. So it's right. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is equals to 12. So it's also wrong. Now see, using all that's the 12 questions are done. Now I solve these questions to here, filling the blanks with the right symbols from 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 45 divided by 9 equals to 9 minus 4. 45 divided by 9, the answer is 5, and 9 is subtracted by 4, the answer is 5. So it equals to 6 plus 1 equals 6 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, and 6 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, so answer is 6. So 7 is greater than 6, so it's a right. And the 12 multiplied by 2, the answer is 24, and the 25 plus 10, 35, so 35 is greater than 24, it's a greater sign. Okay, now filling the blanks in the expressions with the proper number. So 1 multiplied by 7, and the 7 multiplied by 1 equals to sign, and the 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, and 7 multiplied by 2, that is 14. So 20 is greater than 14. Now 48 divided by 3, the answer is what answer? 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5, 45. The answer is 16. So, okay. Now here is the 45 is greater than 16. Now see, 0 plus 1 equals to 0. 5 multiplied by 0. Here is the 0. Any number is multiplied by 0. The answer is 0. So 0 is less than 1. 35 divided by 5. The answer is 5. Equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. See, here is the sign is equals to. Now 6 subtracted by 6 plus 2 is equal to 5 is greater than 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So here is the greater than sign. Now using letters. So I hope so to solve this one. A plus B equals to B plus A, means it's the same. When we add 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and the 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So it's the same case, like that it's the same case. Now see, first of all I solve the exercise and then see. This is our explanations using letters A and B. A plus B equals to B plus A. And the explanations, when the number is multiplied by 1, any number is multiplied by 1, the number get itself. Okay. Now see the questions number first. Use a letter for any numbers and write the following properties in short. The sum of any numbers and the 0 in the number itself. Let us use up for any numbers. For any numbers is multiplied by 0. So for any numbers add the 0, the answer is get itself. Okay. So the A plus 0, the answer is A. The product of any two numbers and the product obtained after changing the order of those numbers in the same. And here let us use A and B for any number. So A multiplied by B equals to B multiplied by A. Now see the questions number 3. The product of any number and the 0 is 0. Let us use X. Any numbers is X. When we use any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. So here the number I considered X. X is multiplied by any number, the answer is 0. And see, write the following properties in word. M minus 0 equals to M. The difference of any numbers and the 0 is the numbers itself. Means when we subtract any numbers by 0, the product is the number itself. And the any number is divided by 1, the product itself. The quotients of any numbers divided by 1 is the number of itself. Okay. I hope so you understand that. today I declare that the portions is over for the second term examinations. If you have any confusions and any difficulties, then please ask me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.